Okay, I used a little of this plastic bond, JB Weld plastic bonder also, just to make sure the plastic piece stays in place. So I just want to share that. Probably can't tell, but the JB Weld glue dries very black, so I put it in there also. End up having to glue this button to keep this DC power connector from moving. You know, I had to glue the button right instead to keep it in position, so I had to improvise. Okay guys, when you use this JB Weld, you have to squeeze it, comes out. You have to mix it together. So that's what I'm doing here. So it's mixed together. Okay, I had to do some improvising. So I put a button to stabilize the DC connector. I just put this paper on each side so that the glue wouldn't get on the paper. But that's essentially what I'm doing here. I'm using the JB Weld glue, so we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so got everything fixed. I plugged it in once, make sure it goes in, doesn't move, nothing breaks. So unplug it. So I'm going to put this back together and close it up. If you have to glue some plastic on plastic, this JB Weld plastic bonder has strength structural adhesive. It works pretty well. I had to glue a piece back that's plastic onto the base of the laptop, and it seems to work pretty well. So it's the first time I've ever used it. I'm not getting paid by them or anything. It's just something I read up on and tried. Okay, so I'm going to put this back on. You have to make sure all of your ribbons, are available. So you want to make sure there's no ribbon sticking up under from up under there. Just plop this guy in the right way. It's your power, and snap it on all the way around. So snap it in.